It came. We got a thing. We got a new thing, and the thing is a 60-inch radiant heater. It is radiant. Okay, write that down. 240 volts, 3200 watts. So this is a direct wire in 240 volt situation. The styrofoam, bud. Some of y'all may not know, but every single, where's my other heater? We don't know. Every single 120 volt heater, no matter what kind it is, maxes out at 1500 watts. So if you want more heat, more wattage, you have to go with a 240 volt. What do we got here? Some brackets, and we got more styrofoam, don't you know? We found a little spot for the Honda emblem globe, and we're gonna use it as a basketball hoop. Anyway, let's get to the main event. Peek a gander at this. Time out. All right, bud, sorry about that. A little Capri Sun break and a phone call. Where were we? Styrofoam. A little more trash for ya. It's nonstop. Peek a gander at that, buds. There is no glow to this, so it does not get orange hot. There's no exposed heat elements to this. It is an aluminum heat sink. Fantastic. And this is going to go right on the wall right here, and it's gonna be angled in between these two bays. So it's like the sun, right? And she's going right up there. The best part about it is, even if the garage doors are open and it's snowing outside, it's super cold, I'm still gonna feel the heat. Just peek at it. And yeah, we're gonna get this hardwired up. The mounting points can slide anywhere along this, so we can use any of these studs without issue, since we got a little guide rail mount. Got 8 LED panels here, so it's gonna be like heaven's gates up in here. A lot of y'all said you can never have too many lights, but I don't know. I think I might be able to prove you wrong. Quick little gist of the lighting setup. So horizontal lights. First of all, we're gonna get rid of these two ugly lights. They're great for right now, but they are fugly, and we do not want them in here. Horizontal, it's 4 by 1 foot. We're gonna have one right here, which is gonna work out well with the hood open. That's gonna be the under hood light. One horizontal here, one horizontal here, one lengthwise in the middle of this bay right here, another lengthwise here, another horizontal here behind this soffit, and another horizontal, not all the way up against the wall, but maybe kind of in the middle here, or kind of right chair. We're gonna have another horizontal one right here, just in front of the attic Holy, and then another one lengthwise right here. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me know what y'all think. I also got this exhaust fan, right? And you're like, Tyler, why do you need an exhaust fan? My idea with that is to put it close to this side of the garage right here. So as you know, there's an attic. This attic is just in this section of the garage. So this first bay kind of extends from my house. This attic is completely non-insulated. The only thing in this attic is wires coming from my breaker up, across, and into the house. Vents all along this side and vents all along this side. Obviously, if I know something's gonna smoke, or I know there's gonna be a bunch of fumes, I will open the garage doors to allow ventilation. But for whatever reason, there's a ton of smoke coming from the engine after doing a tune-up or whatever. I get a bunch of oil on the exhaust. We're gonna turn on that switch, and it's gonna direct that smoke, work its way to that fan. Air gets sucked in through here, and then there's a duct on one side of this. I'm gonna aim that duct directly at the corner in the attic where all those vents are. So it's gonna suck all the smoke, fumes, whatever, into it and pour it directly at where the vents are in the front. And it's gonna pour out of those vents and exit the vicinity. That's my idea with that. Let me know if it's dumb. Let me know if it's smart. You like it, you hate it. Let me know. We also have this little baby electric pressure washer. 2500 PSI max, so it's not anywhere close to a big boy pressure washer, but it will absolutely get the job done. I can also pressure wash the floor, squeegee it out to the corner, keep the garage clean with that, and we're gonna hook it up to this Giraffe Tools retractable hose reel. So this is 90 foot, and I'm just gonna mount this to the side of my house. Originally, I wanted to run a water line from my basement up over here so I could have a wall-mounted pressure washer, but we're shifting to a more simplistic, realistic type of situation. I still might put a wall-mounted vacuum, but then again, I think I'm just gonna go with a Milwaukee vacuum that's powered off of M18 batteries by a few more STS. Magneto attachments, by the way. Very nice. Very strong. Go ahead and check that out, my foryabird.com link tree. Yeah, I think these bad boys can power a vacuum that I can use just fine, and then I'm not bound to the wall. I'm gonna find some old Hondas that need some love. I'm gonna inspect them, show you guys how to test drive a car and feel for different things so you have a good idea of things that could be wrong with the vehicle without even needing to pull it on a lift. And then I will lift it up, do a full inspection, write up everything that the car needs, everything that I wanna replace. I will go ahead and replace said components, get her nice and buttoned up, purdy and reliable, and you guys will be able to see every single one of those repairs in depth with multiple camera angles, and then I'll give them a little detail outside, the pressure washer, a vacuum, do a final test drive with you buds, and show you guys, you know, the before and the after. In the video post, I'll ask if any of you guys want to purchase the car. If you were to buy it, you won't have a single doubt of anything that I've done to the car or how I've done it to the car. You'll be able to see documented everything that I've done. We have a level 2 Tesla EV charger right here. It's been sitting in this garage for a while, so long in fact that I am actually considering selling the Tesla. With the extra money from this bad boy, I will be buying some older Hondas that need some love so we can get going on the car content. I know y'all want to see it. Trust me, I am eager to make it, and we're getting closer and closer every single day. So soon, buds. Peek at the new setup, by the way. Toolcraft Organizers just released his side impact holster modular 3D printed devices, okay? So go to my foryabud.com page, click on the Toolcraft Organizers link, and you will see finally these are released. I know a lot of y'all have been talking about these, asking me where I got them, and they're finally out. This was a prototype. He's been working on optimizing it for a while, and this is the final product right here. There is inserts that you can remove or leave in there. Hi. Another STS product right there for your air tools, by the way. She's a little, it's not the best location, but anyway. These are absolutely beautiful. As you know, I've been using this side for quite a while, and you can sneak in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impacts onto the side of your roll cart. Easy access, easy to remove, easy to put back, and we even got the impact hammer on the side of the roll cart now, so that freed up some space in the Uggy Duggy drawer, and we like that. I know it's taken months and months to even get this far. I have struggled left and right with this entire shop and this big transition, but we're pushing. Baby steps, ant steps, gopher steps. It doesn't matter. As long as we keep making steps to complete this shop, she will get done. So until next time, Simba.